All right, I'm going to go through this the best that I can, trying to incorporate all of the different parts. So you're gonna have to piece it together kind of yourself. And please, please, please go through all of this stuff with the words that I'm giving you. All right, we are gonna start with this part right before the turning C jump. So can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight. Turning C jump is on fight song. Take back my life song. Prove that. Your legs come together and prove that. My right song. So that's a kick on right song. And then we move to go to our double turn. You're moving just like this for now. When you press my power turn. So you turn when the music actually says turn down. And then you're going to be stepping to your left. Here, no, comes up here. Remember, it's like a puppet pulling your leg and your arm. So come straight to bend. Right when your leg gets to the halfway point with your hip, that's when it bends. So you step right after your turn, you step in front with your left leg to pull it up, down, B. You're down here on the word B, strong. And then you roll it down. You're still on your angle. And then this is fight. Notice how my butt stays on the ground and my arms are still up here. So this is fight, song. And you bend them. We didn't do that at practice today, but make sure you bend them here. You're then going to go into a Z-sit, kind of come up a little bit, jazz hand. And then you roll back around. You have your left leg come up, and then you stand up on here with your right hand, left arm, in. That's where you're moving to your back walkover line. And then you're going to hit right, left, open, down. Okay? So it goes right, left, T, down. Once again, right, left. You're probably still moving on that right, left. So it's right, left, T, low B. T, low B. And that's when you step back with your left leg on the low B. You come up and around to be down, up. And then right when you stand up, that's like knee. And the words are, I still got a lot of fight left in me. Once again, I still got a lot of fight left in me. Again, I still got a lot of fight left in me. Again, I still got a lot, you're down here, of fight left in me. This is where the back walkover, people, you're going to hold that now. Shaylin, you're the first person that goes. You start your clean on 4. All right? On that 1, though, right when you're here, on me, right when the music switches over, that's when the people need to start running. So Kenley, you're the leader in the front, and Allison, but right now Faith, you're the leader in the back. So you gotta make sure you run right away. So you're gonna run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As the people who are in the back walk over, your move is this: clean, bug, clean, point, up, go. All right. So you're here. You just finished on me. Back walkovers. You go clean, bug, clean, point, up. Clean, bug, clean, point is when you bring your foot out, whichever one you do the back walkover with, point, up, and then you go. Once Ella is done with her back walkover, then we will be moving to the X formation, and that's where you're doing Schmidt's dance. Then, after Schmidt's dance, we then go into, we got to bring this all together because we're about to grab our little flags, all right? We're going to come back, bring our little flags out, coming through the middle, and then we go out to those 3 diagonal lines. 3 diagonal lines right there. That's one where some of you are doing the roll, some of you are holding here, some of you are cartwheeling over. That's the spot you have to be in. We're not doing that yet because we haven't done our ribbon slow part yet, but that's the part we're going to be going into. Let me just grab a leaf that I'll use. Okay, so here's my little object right now. Once you come back to the circle or the lines, you're going to grab your little thing out. You're going to pull it up like this. Your right hand is first, all right? Your right one comes up like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion, like how a single word can take my heart open, and then you roll. Make sure on that, I'll break it down for you right now, but it's very, very flowy. My leaf is tough. Make sure you grab like a sack or a tube sack, or I don't know, a tank top would work too. All right, so like a small boat, you're gonna curve on the ocean here in. When you wrap this one around, remember the right arm crosses here. It's gonna come down to do a solte. You then bring this arm back down to come to the side, and you loop it around 3 times. It goes from the top to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And then this arm comes in and you pull it back up. You then turn here if you're doing the roll, or you come here if you're a person who's lifting somebody, and if you're a cartwheeler, you're here and you just come here. You're then going to do your move on open. So the rollers, take them here. You need to put the ribbon in your left hand, so you're opening up here. Top on that last second, make my heart open. You roll on the pen of open. Open. And then we all do a C jump right after that. I might only make one chance, make an explosion, and then we move to our triangle where we do our fouette. So we're going to move to our fouette section. And then I'll teach you those arms on Friday. With the fouette section, you have an 8.5 before you actually have to prep for it. But in the music, it's you're prepping on 7, 8 to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just because I was facing you that time, make sure you're using your right leg. You would look like this. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you're using that right leg on that one. The people who are not doing the fouettes, you guys kind of stomp 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 to go 1, 2, 3, 4, broken T 5, shelf 6, here 7, 8. All right. So you got this, you guys. Please, please, please practice. I'm going to be putting on the formations as well later today. All right. Have fun.